To finish formatting our chart or to make it easier to export and print, it's useful to put the chart on its own page. To do this, again, click on your chart if it's not already selected. Use the right mouse button and choose Move Chart. We'll move the chart to a new sheet and we'll call the sheet Pie Chart of Blood Types for GHS. And that's all that fits. The information used to create the blood types is still on another sheet. I'm going to rename that Data. And the great thing about Excel is that if you were to change the data, let's change this to 200 so it's noticeable, then the pie chart automatically updates. This also means that you don't want to delete the sheet that contains your raw data. Okay, again, if you wanted to print now, if you choose to print, you can easily print just an active sheet and you can get a full page printout either to a printer or as a PDF of the chart that you've created.